This amazing, beautiful, huge building with like black and white tiled marble floors. You walk in and there was a switchboard and the woman would answer the phone, "Hello, YIVO." And it was like an old school switchboard, lots of things that you could put in. The elevator was the worst and scariest elevator in the world, and sometimes people got stuck in it. That's just how it was. But it was also amazing. These beautiful stairways, the library, the research room, like, I mean, I can see like Dina Abramovich there, had these huge, gigantic, like oak tables, dusty chandeliers everywhere, books everywhere, and it was amazing and interesting and fascinating, and like, that's where I played. I would go there after work, after school every day. My mom would pick me up and we'd take the bus across town and I'd be there. Like there are like kid things that I loved. Like I was definitely kind of a little mascot. And I just remember being in places. So I used to go to Bina Weinreich's office and she had toys that she had there for her grandchildren. And she had these amazing like blue and white block type things. I used to just sit on her floor like while she did work and like play with them. I remember Lushan Dobrashitsky very well, and apparently I used to call him Doggy Shishki. Um, it's so weird, especially like being around now and things being very clear, like image before my eyes. I mean, I really did grow up in it, and many of these people who are incredibly involved in the Yiddish music and cultural scenes today and are now like, seen as the the people who really started the revival were there, hanging around. And there was also like this whole thing about, with young queer people also working in it. I definitely remember that there was a YIVO prom and everybody dressed up so it was like part academic warehouse, part like amazing cultural institution, and also like, this great community clubhouse as well. And there was lots of fun. I mean, so for me, it was really a great part of my childhood.